Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to what should you not do during these last 20 days left for your examination. As you all know that the CSIR UGC NET June 2023 examination is around the corner. So there need to be some pointers which you need to keep in mind, which you should not do during these last 15-20 days. Everyone is talking about what should you do, what should be your strategy, etc. I'll be talking about what should you not do during these last 15 to 20 days. The very first thing is try to not add any new topic in your preparation. Keep on revising whatever you have studied till now. Keep on recalling that and keep on practicing all those things. Very important. So try not to add any new topic to your preparation. This is the very first thing that you can keep in mind. Second, try not to be lethargic during the actual time slots of the examination. That is, try to be active during the time of 9 to 12 and 3 to 6 p.m. The reason being because our examination would be in this particular time slot and you need to have a very active state of mind. Try to change your sleeping pattern, try to change your schedule of the day and try and sit doing the mock test specifically during the 9 to 12 and 3 to 6 because it would help you to keep yourself awake. That's very important, right? This is the second thing which you should do. And third thing, do not avoid the previous year question papers at any cost. Make sure that you are revising them. Make sure that you are revising them again and again. Very important. Make sure that you are revising the previous year question papers very effectively. And last and the most important thing is give mock test. Please do not skip the mock test at any cost. It's very important for you to give the mock test. So make sure that you're giving the mock test. What you can do, you can use the same time slot 9 to 12 or 3 to 6 for your mock test and give yourself that habit that you should sit and give the paper at that time slot itself. Your mind would become more active for that time being. So first thing is do not add any new papers. Second, do not be lethargic during that time. Do not be lethargic during the actual time slot. Third, try to stay active or try not to be lethargic during that particular time. And then do not skip the mock test. All these things are very important. Keep in mind, whatever you do during these last few days is going to reflect in your results. It is going to reflect in your actual result which you're going to get after the examination. So be attentive, be active, stay confident, try to stay away from all the negative things, try to minimize the social media as much as possible and concentrate upon your own self-study. Very important. So these are the most important things that you should not do during these last days for having a very good result. And also have confidence in yourself. You can do this. Do not worry. All the very best. Good luck. Any problem, any doubt, Botany Insider is here to help you out. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Download our application. Let's reach 11K subscribers very soon. Thank you for all the support. Good luck. Take care.